Yo YouTube, what is going on? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Diablo 4 Vessel of Hatred for free. This is available on PlayStation, Xbox, PC or Steam, and you can get a digital game code that you can redeem in the platform of choice, and it's going to give you a completely full version of Diablo 4 Hatred, Vessel of Hatred for free. This is of course Diablo 4's latest DLC. So let's get into it, guys. You do need to use your mobile phone and it will take you between 5 and 10 minutes, but this game is pretty expensive, as you can see. So yeah, this is going to save you a bunch of money. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use, like I said, a mobile. Open up the internet and go to this website, guys. www.topdogcodes.com. So very important you spell it correctly, guys. Top Dog Codes. This is an awesome website and you are gonna love it. This has tons of codes on here, of course, and they have game codes, promo codes, and things like that. So there is a search bar where it says search below. So let's search for Diablo 4. Diablo, here we go. Diablo 4 free game code. So navigate your way to this screen. And this is, of course, the Vessel of Hatred DLC included. So basically, guys, these codes are limited. So you can only get one copy of the game per person. And there is a process of getting your code. So you need to select your platform. As I mentioned, this is available on PlayStation consoles, Xbox, PC/Steam. I personally play on PlayStation. So this is a free digital copy of Diablo 4 Vessel of Hatred for PlayStation consoles. Now, I need to unlock my personal game code. This is completely normal, of course. Like I showed you, this is a pretty expensive game. So this limits one code per person. So tap unlock code and you can see this loading screen is going to count up to 100. I'm going to cancel this. I've already got my code and I don't want to waste a limited code for this video. But basically, guys, when that loading screen reaches the end, you're going to see a new page and it's going to tell you how to go ahead and unlock your game code. It will take about 5 minutes to verify yourself as a real person. And yeah, it's completely free. It does just take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete a couple of these like tasks. So follow all of the instructions, and if you've done everything correctly, your code will then be revealed and you can redeem it in the platform. So in that case, that would be in the PlayStation Store, and it will download Diablo 4 with the Vessel of Hatred DLC included. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. All you need to do is head on over to Top Dog Codes, search for the Diablo 4 page and unlock your game code. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.